Hi, it's Gloria here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from Hyderabad. Sister Helen Fernandez of Mudadu passed away in Hyderabad. Here's what we have in our local news. Delegates from the tsunami-hit Ase visit Mangalore, seek investments by entrepreneurs. Aloysians present Bendre's classic play Sayo Ata, enthrall theatre buffs with their performance. Sri Devi College of Management's Zyka 2008 to tickle Mangaloreans' taste buds on February 9th. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Lona from the Mega Konkani concert held in Dubai, a dance from Music Masti 2007, a song from Wilson Olibra's Silver Jubilee Night held at Brahmavali.
Apurva for Aptland.
News in detail. Sister Helen Concilia Fernandez of Mudadu passed away at Vijay Mary Hospital, Hyderabad on Thursday, February 7th evening after a prolonged illness. 66-year-old Sister Helen is the sister of Dr. Gabriel Fernandez, a renowned scientist in US. Sister Helen was born to late Azumta Fernandez and the late Jerome Diogo Fernandez in Tenkabettu of Mudadu village in Barkur on 14th August 1941. Sister Helen Fernandez joined the Religious Order of Sisters of Charity on May 25, 1960. The congregation sent her to Karnataka Medical College, Hubli, where she obtained her MBBS in the year 1969. For the last 26 years, Sister Concilia Fernandez was serving at Vijay Mary Hospital. With her soft-spoken, gentle behavior, her vast experience in obstetrics and gynecology, and her great listening power, she was a mother figure in this institution. She is the recipient of Indira Gandhi National Integration Award and Millennium Excellence Award for the services rendered to HIV positive and AIDS patients in the year 1999. Funeral will be held at the chapel of Vijay Mary Hospital, Hyderabad on Saturday, February 9th at 3 p.m. Aceh is a special territory of Indonesia located on the northern tip of the island of Sumatra. It is thought to have been in Aceh where Islam was first established in Southeast Asia. In the early 17th century, the Sultanate of Aceh was the most wealthy, powerful and cultivated state. Unfortunately, Aceh was the epicenter of the massive 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, which triggered tsunami that devastated much of the western coast of the region. Majority in Aceh were killed. Now, after 3 years, the Indonesian province, blessed with natural resources, is recovering, and the Aceh officials were in Mangalore on Thursday, February 7, inviting Mangalore's business heads to invest in their land. A 9-member delegation of high-ranking officers led by the Vice Governor of Aceh province in Indonesia, Muhammad Nazar, interacted with the business heads and entrepreneurs of Mangalore on Thursday, February 7th evening. Prior to the interaction meet, Indonesian delegation visited Camco's chocolate factory in Puttur. During the meet held at Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the delegation invited the entrepreneurs of Mangalore to invest their money in Aceh and other parts of Indonesia.
In the other sector mining, 100% with other our authorities. For example, coal, gold, iron ore, and others. Also in the plantation, our government today want to give our people the land for plantation, for agriculture.
Muhammad Nazar said that Aceh is very rich in natural resources like coffee, oil, plantation crops like cocoa and natural gases. Since the province lacks advanced technology in processing these natural resources, the Aceh province welcomes technical experts.
Arabica specialty coffee in the world. Aceh has perfect conditions for palm oil, significant natural resources, But all of these areas are under-tapped. There's significant opportunities for private sector firms to contribute to the development of Aceh.
The team got overwhelming response from Mangalore's entrepreneurs. Camco MD P. Madhusudan Rao expressed his company's desire to import cocoa beans from Aceh since their chocolate factory is running short of cocoa beans. The representatives of MCF2 expressed their wish to set up a chemical factory in Aceh. Thursday's meet has kindled the hopes of the delegates of Aceh and on the other hand has opened the chances for the entrepreneurs in Mangalore to extend their business operations. Rangatanda, a drama club of St. Aloysius College involved in theatre activities in association with Karnataka Nataka Academy is organizing Ranga Rangotsava 2008, a drama fest at the college auditorium. As a part of the fest, on Thursday, February 7, the students presented Dara Bendre's Kannada play Sai Your Aata, which was a real treat to the theatre buffs of Mangalore. Now we bring you the exclusive clippings of this play. Theatre buffs in Mangalore spend their evening on Thursday 7th watching Sai Your Aata, a drama written by Kannada's great writer Dara Bendre at St. Aloysius College Auditorium. The drama club of the college presented the play as a part of the ongoing Ranga Rangotsava 2008. The well-presented play received appreciation from the audience. Mangaloreans are in for a delicious treat with Zyka 2008, the annual food festival to be organized by city's Sridevi College of Hotel Management on Saturday, February 9th from 6 p.m. onwards. The food festival will be held at the college campus at Ballalbagh. Zyka 2008 will give ample opportunity for the students of Sridevi Hotel Management to exhibit their culinary skills. MLC Captain Ganesh Karnik will preside over the inaugural function of Zyka 2008. Whereas Indian Airlines Area Marketing Manager Nagesh Shetty will be the chief guest, stated a press release. The festival will feature a delectable spread of cuisines ranging from Indian, Chinese, continental, Thai and Italian, all prepared by the students. An array of mocktails with different hues and flavors will also be prepared and presented. DJ Nubs will entertain the crowd with 15,000 watts of pulsating music. Special spot prizes will be given on the occasion, stated the release. Tickets will be made available on the spot till 8 p.m. That is all we have from our news desk. Now, before starting our entertainment bash, let me take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs for you. So stay tuned to us.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್,